got another late start today, but we got the goods. I gotta pass Tyrone. Look what we got. So we're gonna get geared up and then head to the hills and have a good time. All right, so the camera's a little musty. Dax just showed up. We got everything ready to rip and roll. We got like 45 minutes of light to get up here and get set up in order to get the shot. But hopefully it'll turn out sick. I guess we'll see. If either way, it's gonna be a good time. Tonight we got Aaron, Tyrell, Dax. Hell yeah, we got a nice trim trail though, baby. Woo! So Tyrell said his brakes are making some weird noises, but I guess we're just gonna head up without him. Good girl. Hey, buddy! Do I still got my fireworks?
You're missing one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm missing one firework somewhere. At least I got one. Hello?
Hey, Edge. You have fun ride. I will meet you at truck when you're done.
We won't take too long.
Okay, sounds good.
Alright, see you soon.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna do a very quick search for my firework, like 30 seconds, and I'll be right back.
10 seconds later.
Oh. Alright, the boys got me off the tree. Now let's go retrieve firework number 2.
A few inches later.
That's not narrow enough for me. There we go, thank you, sir. Oh. Alright, well, let's get up there before it gets too dark. I had no idea it was there until the last second I floored it. Oh, that is incredible. Yeah, buddy!
So AJ, what we got going on here?
So we're just expressing our First Amendment with a lot of horsepower and some great views. Some great company, so
yes,
we'll
sir.
See what happens.
It's gonna be sick.
Hopefully it ends well. I think we're solid.
2 rolls of duct tape later.
I might need a little bit more. Oh, it won't be too bad. I'm standing back here. I'll be good.
Yeah, you'll be good.
Hells yeah. Again tonight, second night in a row. But I think we need to go a lot bigger next time. And this is just awesome. I wish that everybody could see what I'm seeing right now. Gotta love it up here. Oh. So I guess fireworks weren't done. Aaron's got his helmet shaft. Yes, sir! Doing some gnarly cliff riding in the dark. This is sick. Hello, Rock. That looks like a deep, thick ravine right here. Oh yeah, that's a steep ass ravine right there.
That's a shitty place to go.
Is that a cliff at the end of here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a gnarly ass ravine. Oh no, I'll be fine. If I could get through here, I could side hill across and then slowly drop my way down in there. That's a move. I don't really know what happened, but we find out. Very tight. Oh, this is awesome! Yo!
Crazy shit.
Oh, that was sick!
That's wild.
Hey, you go up main gut?
Yeah.
I follow. Oh no, he's stuck. I'll go help Aaron now. Alright folks, that's a wrap on the fireworks / gnarly tree riding night adventure. Thanks for tagging along again.